Hey, are you waiting for a new way to do the Amazon influencer program? Are you tired of the same old tools, the scraping tools? Everybody has the same stuff. I'm about to introduce you to something new. Meet Alex. Okay, it's an AI tool. Okay, AI. Now I know what you're saying. Amazon said we can't do AI. Now, no, you can't make content with AI, but nobody says you can't find content with AI. So, like, let's jump inside. You're gonna blow your mind. Find brand deals, and low hanging fruit, okay, as they say, where no videos, high sales, great opportunities. Okay, let's jump inside and see Alex. Okay, so there's Alex. Okay, Alex, this is the dashboard. You got a watch list, you got collaborations, you sign in, you make an account. They're gonna have daily picks up here. Okay, we're not gonna touch on the daily picks, but you can scroll through those, and they're gonna give you your opportunities, and it's gonna be based on you. It's AI, so you're gonna when you sign up, they're gonna give you what niche you want to be in. You know, and you're not pigeonholed into the one niche. You could pick five or six. You don't have to be worry about narrowing your chances. Okay, but now you're going to come down here to search, right? You can go into the filters. You can search bestsellers, new releases, movers and shakers, most switch for. You can search all the departments, right? And you can go ahead and search price, the sales. So let's take a look. Let's go to let's start off with movers and shakers. Okay, let's pick. What do you want to pick? Let's pick pet supplies, or let's pick patio and lawn. Okay, now we're not going to get much patio and lawn with that, so let's go with pet supplies, and you can pick more than one. All right, now minimum sold 1,000, maximum you can well, let's put it in there, 1,000. You could pick your own number. So I normally pick 3,000, but for the sake of the video, and reviews. Okay, you want it to have reviews. Okay, and of course 80% or above reviews. Now let's go ahead and show. Now here you go. They're going to show you this 100-day supply, horse XL, whatever, $99, 1,000 sold a month. There's one influencer video there. It's got 5 stars, 1,800 reviews, and now we can view it. And it's saying it's a great opportunity. It's saying it's a great opportunity. It's giving you its bestseller rank right there in the history. Okay, 4 empty slots for videos. Okay, now you can go and you can view it on Amazon. Go right to the product page. You can add this to your watch list. Gives you the ASIN. Gives you everything you want in here. Okay, percentage of 5-star reviews. Uh, Excellent brand. It's the next one, the Blue Buffalo Life Protection Formula. Now, of course, this is Pet Supplies. Now, this is telling you its ranking. So the number 39, number 8, number 35. Okay. Now, there's 5 influencer videos in there, so you might not want to do this one already, but it all depends if the bottom carousel's up. This is all upper carousel, by the way. They're not taking into consideration the bottom carousel, which they take away whenever they feel like it. All right, and it's also rating these as bad opportunities. Okay, so we can go back to the filters, right? And we can change the filters. We can get rid of pet supplies. We can go to patio and furniture, and let's make a maximum price 500 and see what we go. And let's say 1,000. Let's say 3,000. Let's see what they show us. All right, so here's a good product. Pressure washer, right? $62, 3,000 sales a month. It's got 3 influencer videos. Good sales, good reviews. There you go. It's trending down right now, though, but it's going to trend up because it's a pressure washer. People are going to be buying this in the next couple of months, depending on when you're watching this video, right? So Alex is pretty good. Now I went to collaborations. They're in the middle of getting this going here, where they're going to be able to connect you to brands based on your analytics, based on your AI. Based on all kinds of stuff. So they're working on that. I'm in contact with these guys in development. So we're going to be doing that, and I'll be doing follow-up videos on that, definitely. So something like this, the digital camera, it's got 500 sales a month. It's got only one influencer video. Very good opportunity, right? Next one, another digital camera. All right, 500 a month sold, right? One influencer video. So these are great opportunities, and this is a great tool, Alex. Okay, now stay tuned for my next videos. But I just ordered, I don't want to give it away, but I ordered two products that I searched for the other day. They just came today. I'm making videos now. We're going to upload them, see if they get put on the product page, see if we can make some sales and make our money back, and see how fast it's going to take us to make our money back using Alex, the AI Amazon influencer tool. And I'm really excited to work with them with the brand aspect of it, because if I've learned anything in the past 3 years working for Amazon influencer program, it's that Amazon is not reliable. They can take away the carousel, they can change the algorithm, they can, whenever they want, they can throttle you down, and all of a sudden you're not getting any views, right? The best way to insure yourself against that kind of fluctuation is brand deals, working with brands, getting yourself a list of sellers and agents that you can contact regularly. Because if it's not Amazon, it's YouTube. If it's not YouTube, it's TikTok. If it's not TikTok, it's the next greatest platform that's coming out that you haven't heard about yet. But the brands are going to need videos on that new platform. And if you have the Rolodex full of contacts and you have the experience, doesn't matter where they are, you can go to. Did I mention Alex is free right now? So Alex is free right now. It's in beta. You're getting a sneak preview from me, so you should thank me. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're going to take a ride with Alex. We're going to ride it all the way through, find out what's going on. Stay tuned. We'll do the video popping up on the screen. YouTube has decided it's the video you need to watch next. It's going to help you, whatever it is you need to know.